Now I will change this area, change this data. To change this, I will have to go to the admin panel. Under appearance, click customize, click on top header settings, then under address, write Dhaka and email, input my email address, contact number, then click publish. Now go to our site, click on the icon and see the data have been changed. Now I will change the logo. I will replace my logo here. To change it, I will have to go to our WordPress admin panel, customize, click on site identity, change logo, upload files, select files, then go to the computer where the logo has been kept. Click on image, click on open, then click on select, then click on crop, then publish. To view this, go to our website, click on the icon. The icon or logo has been changed. Dear viewers, see that on the address bar 99 my blog my WordPress is written. Now I will change this. To change this, I will have to go to the WordPress control panel, site name my blog, write my website name Ruposhi TV. Tagline, you can use tagline, suppose as slogan. I am using always current news. You can use as your requirement and change this logo. Change this also. You can change it or remove it. Change it, click our logo, select, crop, then click on publish. Now if we write our address name on the address bar, see here our website name will be shown here. See that Ruposhi TV always current news shown here, on also our logo is shown here. Now I will change this option. This is called menu. We will arrange this menu as our requirement. To change this, I will have to go to my WordPress control panel. From here, click on customize, click menu. There are two menus. One is main menu and another is top menu. And in the website there are two location for menu. This is one location and this is another location. Two location, and we have also two menu. We will use two location. So at first main menu. Under the main menu there are some sub menus. We will keep main menu here. To keep main menu here, click on primary button, then publish. Now see our website, click on the icon, see that the menu has been changed. Under these menus there are some sub menus also. Now I will change this. Click on top menu and click top header. This is the top header option. Then click publish. Click on the logo. See that the menu items has been changed. So now it is looking very nice. Dear viewers, we can change also the items from here. Suppose home is shown here, so the home page need not to keep here. So I am going to delete the home page from top menu. So go to customize option. From here click menus, select. From here I am select top menu, then click select. See that from here I will remove home, remove, click save. Go to website, refresh website. See that home page is not shown here, only home is shown here. We can add page here or we can delete page or items from here. Now I will show you how to do it. To add menu items, we have to go to our WordPress admin panel. Under page, add new, give a page name, forum, click on publish, create another page, click add new button, give a name here, we are giving the name admission, click publish, then go to under appearance, go to menu, click this is top menu, so we will keep on page on top menu, click forum, add to menu and save menu, go to our website, click on icon and see that our page we have created now is shown here. Again go to our admin panel, then select menu, main menu, primary menu, select, click admission, click add to menu, this admission is added here. We can also delete from here, sub menu, save menu. Go to our website, click on icon and see that our new page admission is shown here. This is slideshow area. When we will make post, the latest post will be shown here, and also when we will make more and more post, the post will be shown here. This is the main content area, and also post under category will be shown here. To edit this, go to our WordPress admin panel, then under post click add new, give a title, my photo, here you can give description, to add image click on add media, then click upload files, click select files, go to the computer and your folder, desktop, insert emo post, again set featured image, click on image, set featured image, then select a category from here. I am selecting the first Asian Glamour, then click publish, add new, my son's image, one, give here description, to add image, to insert image click add media, upload files, select files, go to computer folder, then select your image, open, insert emo post, go to the bottom and set feature image, click on image, set featured image, then select a category from here. I am selecting the second one, then click publish, go to our website, click on the icon. We have made 4 posts. The posts are being shown on the slideshow and also under the category and also the main content area. When we will make more and more posts, these posts, the demo post will be disappeared and our post will be shown here. In this way you can make more and more posts. Now I will show you how to rearrange the right sidebar area. We can delete it and we can add new items here. To edit the right sidebar, we go to our WordPress admin control panel, then under appearance click widget, This is the widget area. See that this is the right sidebar widget area. Under here we can rearrange it. See that, follow us, follow on me. Now we are keeping this on the top, and also the gallery below the follow me on. Go to our site, then see that the social icon are now being shown on top below the search bar. The gallery is being shown below the social icon. We can add or delete these items from here. Suppose we want to show a calendar here, then what we will have to do, then go to our admin control panel, under widget, see there is a calendar, and keep the calendar on the right sidebar under the gallery. See the right sidebar widget area. Click on done. Go to our website, click on icon, and see that the calendar is shown here. The calendar is shown here. You can add more and more items. For this you will have to install plugins, and the plugins from here you will keep under the right sidebar, or you can keep it in the footer area. Now I will edit the footer area. The bottom of the website is called footer area. This is footer area. The footer area is divided into 4 widgets. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can rearrange this according to our requirements. So go to our admin control panel. Under appearance, click widget. See that footer widget area 1, footer widget area 2, footer widget area 3, footer widget area 4. The footer widget area 1, we are using text plugin. Suppose about blog 99. Here about blog 99 we will change this as about Ruposhi TV. Here we can write the description. Suppose now click on save, click on done. You can change footer area from here. You can change, suppose you can use any of the widget from here. Suppose contact information, keep contact information under footer area 2. Done. Okay, contact information footer area 2 and gallery 3, and we will keep another in footer area 4. Suppose keep on follow us, social icon under footer area 4. So give our Facebook link, www.facebook.com/ruposhi.tv, and you can give your Twitter link here, Instagram link, YouTube link, LinkedIn here, and then click save. Click done. Go to our website and see that we have changed about Ruposhi TV. We have changed the widget 2. We have kept the widget 3 same, and we have changed also the widget 4. Now the social icon Facebook button is shown here. If you will give the link another social icon, suppose Twitter, YouTube, Google, etc., and that will be shown here. Okay dear viewers, we have already customized or changed the website totally. Now we have already finished. Dear viewers, we have already completed our website. We have changed all the items of website and all parts of the website. If you have further questions about making, editing or operating a website, please feel free to comment on my video. I will solve your problem.